Figma released its Little Big updates for 2023. Here are the top 7 most useful updates that I wanted to share. First, hanging punctuation. You can take control over your typography. It's located in the type settings under the details. Second, you can now take a sneak peek of changes that you see in your canvas during a layer change. You can now turn off the vertical annoying square on your text. Fourth, this most useful prototyping update will save your time. You just have to group the text on elements. In the prototype mode, you can change the scroll behavior position into sticky. It will allow the group to stay on the top. Next, you can mask with any color over the top of an image for luminance look. It is located under the mask section. You can now search and select multiple frames and change its color at the same time for multiple frame using fill. You can now type one point, the text, and then press enter. It will automatically add the list with numbers instead of using bulletins for all the list. For more UX contents, follow me.